Sveiki, Lietuva, once again. This is Dr. Mike Melkers talking to you from Hanover, New Hampshire. Now, while I live in the United States, my parents are actually from Latvia, so the Baltics are near and dear to my heart, and I'm so excited to come and visit Vilnius. So that Saturday during the Analog to Digital Smile Design, I'm going to be covering a lot of stuff on communication, treatment planning, and occlusion. And I think we're going to have a really fun time from single tooth up to full mouth dentistry. That Monday, you're going to actually be able to put it into your hands. You'll be able to experience different ways of altering occlusion and how to use that in your treatment planning and also your communication with your patients for better case acceptance. We're actually going to be waxing some teeth. Yes, I did say that. We're going to be waxing. Now, in an age of digital, why is that important? Well, I love digital and it's part of my workflow, but I know that everything that we finalize as far as dentistry is analog. That means it goes in the mouth. The patient feels it. Well, that Monday, you're going to be able to feel it. And I would like you to experience tactily what those changes feel like. We're going to be able to take those and put those into a treatment plan. And I want to show you some tips and tricks that I've learned over my nearly 30 years of clinical practice that can help you be more successful in case implementation and case acceptance. I hope you'll join me that Monday for the workshop, and we'll see you then.